In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view shared folders in Dropbox. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find shared content on the web and on your computer, and how to quickly tell what's collaborative versus read-only. Let's start in the browser. Open your web browser and go to dropbox.com. Sign into your account so Dropbox can load your files and sharing activity. On the left sidebar, look for the section labeled Shared and click it. This is your central hub for anything that's been shared with you or by you. On this page, you'll see two main areas. Files and folders shows active shared items where you and others can collaborate. If a folder appears here, it means you've been granted access, and any edits you make are visible to the people who share it with you. Links, on the other hand, lists simple read-only links you've sent or received. These are great for quick viewing or downloading without joining a folder. Keep in mind that items in links don't behave like regular folders in your Dropbox. They're essentially view only unless you've been invited to the actual folder. If you're switching between work and personal accounts, make sure you're signed in to the correct one so you see the right shared content. Now let's look at the desktop experience on Windows and Mac. On your computer, open your Dropbox folder in File Explorer if you're on Windows, or in Finder if you're on a Mac. Shared folders here look just like normal folders, but there's a clear visual cue to help you spot them quickly. Instead of the plain blue folder icon, look for a folder icon that includes a small picture of two people. That two-person badge indicates the folder is shared. When you see that icon, you know the contents are collaborative, and any changes you make will sync to everyone who has access. This makes it easy to identify shared work without opening the website. If you've recently been added to a shared folder and don't see the icon yet, give Dropbox a moment to sync, then check again. Once you find the folder you need, open it like you would any other folder and get to work. That's all there is to it. Use the shared page on Dropbox.com to review everything at a glance, and rely on the two people icon in your desktop Dropbox folder to quickly spot shared items locally. Thanks for watching.